So, without further ado, we're gonna go to our favorite spot with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about a limited edition Benchmade. So this is the Mini Osborne SHOT Show exclusive. So this is an S90V blade, so American-made CPM steel with a red Cerakote with Grey G10, and then it's got a red vulcanized paper, or G10 liner. So nice gray and red themed knife, black back spacers, and then satin hardware up there. So just nice, beautiful action, classic design. So this is the Mini Osborne, like I said. One of the full-size Osborne is the longest running Benchmade knife that they have in their inventory, and then the Mini Osborne came out a year or two ago, correct me if I'm wrong, something like that, and just a great little knife.
Right on. All right, y'all, we'll wrap it up here, and we will see you on the next one. See ya.